Welcome to Financial Literacy, where we're all about empowering you to take charge of your money, make informed choices, and lay the groundwork for a prosperous future. So, if you're committed to enhancing your financial knowledge, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and discuss some common money pitfalls and misconceptions. Ever heard of the phrase, look rich or be rich? It essentially touches upon the superficial spending many fall prey to, which in the long run can severely dent one's financial future. We're here to debunk a few myths and help you navigate the murky waters of personal finance. 1. The credit card trap. Credit cards are a double-edged sword. While they offer perks like cashbacks and miles, the real threat lurks in the shadows, the astronomical interest rates. For instance, say you owe $1,000 on your card. If left unchecked, this can grow exponentially due to compounding interests. Remember, it's always best to pay off the full amount every month. Keep your spending in check and ensure that you're not borrowing more than you can repay. 2. Social spending. Bars, clubs, and restaurants are social hubs. But consider this. A beer at a bar might cost you around $8. Buying in bulk from a store? It's significantly cheaper. The allure of social spaces often makes us spend without thinking. But with a little creativity, like hosting gatherings at home, you can save substantially and still have fun. 3. The tech temptation. Technology evolves at a rapid pace. Every year we see newer, shinier devices. But ask yourself, is that upgrade truly necessary? Often, the difference between your current gadget and the newest one is minimal. Plus, overpurchasing tech gadgets, whether it's a fancy blender or another smart home device, can clutter your life with unnecessary items. 4. Wardrobe wisdom. Did you know some of the world's wealthiest individuals are often spotted in simple attire? Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, to name a few. It's not about depriving yourself, but recognizing the true value of money and making conscious choices. Instead of chasing fashion trends, invest in quality, timeless pieces. Not only is it cost-effective, but it also simplifies life. 5. New cars versus used cars. A new car can be tempting, the smell, the shine. However, cars depreciate rapidly. Within a year, the value can drop significantly. Opting for a slightly used car can save you a considerable amount. Remember, a car's main purpose is transportation. Luxury can wait until your finances allow for it. 6. Unused gym memberships. Statistics show a staggering number of gym memberships go unused. Commit to a fitness regime before investing in a membership. Explore free workout options or outdoor activities until you're ready. 7. Subscription overload. In the digital era, there's a subscription for everything. While some are beneficial, others can silently drain your account. Regularly review your subscriptions and evaluate their necessity. 8. Personal care and overconsumption. While self-care is essential, it's easy to get lured into buying countless products. Often, less is more. Choose quality over quantity and stick to essentials. 9. Dining decisions. Home-cooked meals are not only healthier but also cost-effective. Challenge yourself to reduce dining out. You'll be surprised at how much you save. 10. Gambling. The thrill of a potential win can be intoxicating. However, it's crucial to recognize it for what it is, a game of chance. If you must indulge, set a strict budget. 11. Junk food. Contrary to popular belief, healthy foods aren't always more expensive. Prioritize your health. In the long run, it's the best investment. Investments and savings. 12. The power of compounding. Albert Einstein once termed compound interest as the 8th wonder of the world. It refers to the process where the interest you earn on your investments starts earning interest itself. Starting your investments early, even with modest amounts, can yield significant results over time due to compounding. For instance, a mere $100 invested monthly with an average return of 8% can grow to a substantial sum in a couple of decades. 13. Emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. An emergency fund acts as a financial cushion, protecting you against unforeseen circumstances like job loss, medical emergencies, or unexpected repairs. Experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in a liquid account, easily accessible when needed. 14. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This age-old saying applies perfectly to investments. Diversification is about spreading your investments across various asset classes to minimize risk. It ensures that the poor performance of one investment won't severely affect your entire portfolio. 15. Understand the costs. When you invest, you'll encounter various fees, broker charges, mutual fund fees, etc. Always be aware of these costs. Over time, they can eat into your returns. Opt for low-cost index funds or ETFs, which often have minimal fees. Financial discipline and habits. 16. Automated savings. To prevent the temptation of spending, automate a portion of your income to go directly into your savings or investment account. This ensures consistent saving, building a substantial nest egg over time. 17. Track your spending. With the advent of digital banking and numerous apps, it's easier than ever to monitor where your money goes. Regularly checking your expenditure helps in identifying unnecessary spends and patterns, facilitating wiser financial decisions. 18. Limit debt. While certain debts, like mortgages, can be considered good due to potential appreciation in home value, accumulating high-interest debt from personal loans or credit cards can be detrimental. Always aim to keep your debt-to-income ratio low and prioritize paying off high-interest debts. 19. Negotiate. Many expenses like cable bills, insurance premiums, or even medical bills are negotiable. Don't hesitate to call service providers and negotiate for better rates or discounts. Every dollar saved adds up. Retirement and future planning. 20. Retirement savings. Retirement might seem distant, but the earlier you start saving, the more comfortable it can be. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like the 401(k) in the US, especially if they offer matching contributions. 21. Estate planning. Regardless of your wealth, estate planning is crucial. It ensures that your assets are distributed as per your wishes after your demise. Regularly update your will, especially after significant life changes like marriage or the birth of a child. 22. Insurance. While it's an added expense, insurance, whether health, life, or property, acts as a protective barrier against potential financial catastrophes. Ensure you have adequate coverage for your needs. 23. Continuous learning. The financial world is ever evolving. Make it a habit to stay updated. Read books, attend seminars, or even follow finance blogs and YouTube channels. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. 24. Seek professional advice. While it's essential to educate oneself, consulting a financial advisor can offer tailored advice, helping navigate complex situations and making informed decisions. Thank you for joining us today on financial literacy. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insightful content. Together, let's build a financially savvy community.